We are here. Johnny, Rocco's, St. Catharines. What's their pizza gonna score out of 10? Let's find out. Is this a large?
One size.
One size. Johnny Rocco's cheese and pepperoni pizza, $17.52. Let's take a look. Okay. Cup and char. Looks like, is that a little sprink of basil in there?
Basil?
Basil? I like this bubble. Do I go for the basil or the bubble?
Bubble.
Bubble. It's cut nice. Yeah. We've done the Johnny Rocco's truck before. This tastes a lot like it. Love that cup and char. Gonna get this bubble. Crust is nice. This is a really good pizza. Really good pizza. They're not shy on the cheese. Sauce is good. I could easily devour this on my own. The cup and char is delicious. Nicely cooked underneath. Nice stem. It's a good pizza. This is just like the one we had at the truck. Tastes good. That basil's just calling my name though. Sauce is nice and mellow. I like the sauces like this. It's gotta be the same sauce that they have over at Culinary Dropout, because I remember the sauce being over there really nice. I'm going for this one. I don't know if that belongs or not, but it's calling my name. I want it. It's nice, thin. This is a delicious pizza. I really, really like the cheese, the pepperoni, the dough, the sauce. Rookie score coming at you, 9.0. Good, solid pizza. I like it. I'm gonna have to try and save All Right Robin a slice, and that's a review.